Mastering Adverb Clauses of Condition, your key to advanced English. Hello language learners. Welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into adverb clauses of condition. These are incredibly useful in enhancing your English language skills and will bring a certain sophistication to your communication. Adverb clauses of condition, as the name suggests, are clauses that express certain conditions. They start with subordinating conjunctions like if, unless, even if, provided that, and so on. These clauses basically indicate the occurrence or non-occurrence of one event depending on another. For example, if it rains, we will stay at home. Unless you study hard, you won't pass the exam. In both sentences, the adverb clause of condition, if it rains and, unless you study hard, sets a condition for the main clause. When it comes to structuring these adverb clauses of condition, remember that they can come before or after the main clause. However, if it comes before the main clause, use a comma to separate them. Examples: if it rains, we will stay at home. We will stay at home if it rains. Both sentences convey the same meaning. The only difference is the placement of the adverb clause of condition. The most commonly used conjunction for adverb clauses of condition is if. But English is rich in diversity and offers many more conjunctions that we can use. Some of these include unless, even if, provided that, as long as, in case, and on condition that. Each of these provides a slight variation in meaning. For instance, unless implies a negative condition. Unless you work harder, you won't succeed. Even if is used for emphasis. Even if it's late, I will wait for you. Provided that suggests a specific condition. You can borrow my car provided that you return it by tomorrow. And that brings us to the end of this video on adverb clauses of condition. We hope this has been helpful in adding depth to your understanding of English grammar and in enhancing your language skills. Keep practicing these adverb clauses and try to use them in your daily conversations to get a good grasp. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your language journey is your own adventure. So, keep exploring and keep learning.